Do you like buns? These buns, baby. We are making my favorite buns in the world. That, yes, they go right here, right to the booty. So first step are these buns. These are frozen rock solid. Can you hear this? So you have to steam them. Vegetable oil, right over the top. Give them a little toss, and I'm just gonna lay them into the steamer. These will take about 8 minutes. Flank steak, they cook so fast in the blink of an eye. So we're gonna make a really quick, sweet, spicy marinade for it. I'm gonna add some honey, a little touch of soy. This is gochujang. This is like a spicy sauce in Korean world. It should be thick, just like that. A little touch of lime. It should be almost like a glaze. All right, in we go. Give it a good toss. Look at this. Take it up and over. There we go. I've got some kimchi. So kimchi is basically cabbage that has been fermented. I'm gonna take a little bit of this kimchi actually and just kind of wring it out of a little bit of its juice and just chop it. Just take your knife and toasted peanuts just to give some texture. A little cilantro stem in there. Chop all those good stuff up together. It's like a little salsa. Let's take a look at our steak. You know, I had the little baby one because my meat was too long. That's what she said. All right, so I'm gonna take this off. So good. Lay that right by the kimchi. Let's take a look at our bao. These are beautiful, fluffy. They actually are sweet too, believe it or not. Here's how I'm gonna build this. I'm gonna take these guys off, throw a little bit of that kimchi juice. I'm gonna cut this in half, and I wanna cut against them. A little dance right there. Cut those guys in half. Grab a bun, load it up with some steak, overload it. Grab a little of the kimchi, little condiment we made. You can throw some cilantro in there. Dude, stop. My entire shoulders just dropped. You will love this. Get out there, get grilling, and make some buns. Not these buns. For more recipes, head to joelgamoran.com.